So today I'm taking a look at the LUMENIX LED emergency dash strobe lights. So these dash lights enhance your vehicle's safety and visibility. The warning light bars are for emergency traffic signals. They have 2-in-1 design, meaning both lights connect to one power source and one control source. Each housing has a total of 16 high power LED chips and an upgraded 4D lens design. So it really amplifies the brightness. Super bright in bright daylight and amazing at night. So it has 16 emergency signal modes. With the one button which has a spring, you could easily flick between all the modes. So whether you're maneuvering through heavy traffic, stopped in traffic, with a construction crew, towing, plowing, whatever situation you need, this has a mode for you. And all it took was a couple of minutes to install them, and you could uninstall them just by removing them with suction cups. So great for trucks, cars, commercial delivery, tow trucks. These will come in handy whether you're towing heavy equipment, trailers, a host of emergency and construction uses, and even security. And it also gives you plenty of power to run the cables out of your way, or even permanently tuck them in to the car's interior. This way there's no bind up. And the 2-in-1 system, all you have to deal is one cable to the lighter outlet. So I recommend these. Super lightweight, easy to install, and comes in a wide range of signals and colors. This one is the white amber.